here.
Good morning, welcome to Factotum Life. Today we are in our brand new, well, I shouldn't say brand new, it's new to us, 1950s Rambler. And we're just going to do a quick tour here of our dirty house. Okay, so we have our new to us 1950s Rambler. And what we're going to be doing here is we are just kind of doing a quick walking tour of this house. And I really like this. So what we've got going on here is we have just an absolute ton of windows, as you can see behind me. Huge bank of windows in the front. Huge bank of windows in the back. And of course we have the fireplace. And then that door goes towards the kitchen, and that's a built-in. What the plan here is, initially, this floor is all concrete. This is a pier and beam floor with a concrete floor, and then there's probably a 2 or 3 foot crawl space beneath us. The trusses for the actual house are concrete, and I'm going to give I'll give you a quick snapshot of that, and we'll talk about that here. But so what we're thinking here, short term, long term, these windows are all single pane, especially in the back here. We would like to open this up and put in a bifold door system. Now, the reality of the actual cost of that might come into play, but that's kind of what our goal is. And then for this front bank of windows here, what I am going to be doing is we're going to be stripping it. We're going to be fixing it, and most likely I'll be replacing the panes with insulated glass. So we do have our work cut out for us. There is, I don't know, there's just a lot of work in this house. It's fairly neglected, but it's not neglected. And as you see here, we'll go out. I don't even know if this door works. Oh, it does. It wasn't even locked.
Right.
That light's on.
Then we come outside in our backyard. And we have a beautiful backyard. And we bought it for $1,000 or more dollars.
I don't remember this being cracked.
This?
Yeah.
Should stand in the middle. Whoa. Yeah, did it recently do that? Was there an earthquake?
No, I don't think there was an earthquake.
Or we will
All right, let's go in.
Okay, Dad.
We gotta see if we can shut that.
This?
Okay, so here we're walking into the hallway, and we have a bedroom, a laundry room, and a kitchen. And this kitchen is not fantastic, neither is the floor. What our plan here is that we're actually going to end up removing this wall, because this wall separates the living area with the kitchen. So our plan here is we're going to actually end up removing that wall. The concrete floor beneath the tile, beneath the pergo, we're either going to polish an epoxy or do some type of an epoxy flooring. So that's the plan. The cabinets right now, I think we're still discussing. We have some new handles and stuff. I think what I'm going to end up doing is stripping the paint. We're going to do new hardware, and I will end up probably doing a darker gel coat. We may end up sort of reconfiguring stuff, but I'm not entirely sure yet. We just got in here. And then I think what the idea is that this wall goes away and it opens it up into this formal living area space. And what we're going to do is have an island, a seating island right in here. And this is a nice built-in. I'm going to keep it. We'll pull it out. We'll repurpose it somewhere else in the house. But in the meantime, this is kind of what we have. But
Dad, you know what you should do? You should do a before and after in a video for YouTube. Right, Dad?
right.
Hey, Dad, can you get these nuts, these giant nuts here? Windows, guys.
Well, it's not coming this direction.
Someone, you sure this isn't snowstorm?
No, this is hail.
Yeah, but just look at small.
There's the power.
How's the coffee?
Or no. The motion light.
I just saw lightning. And I hope there's no hail in the pool. Like that, it doesn't. Question, can you check the radar for us? Usually when with hail, there's a tornado.